In this video I am going to show you how you can change the images with change of accordion in Elementor. First, create a section with 2 columns. Drag and drop the image widget in the right column. Select your image. And give it a class name as shown. Now drag and drop the accordion widget in the left column. And add the content according to your need. Once you've finished customizing your accordion heading and text, add another widget name HTML underneath your image like this. And paste the code in this widget. Check the description for this code. Now we have to make some changes in the code. First we need to add the image source URL. Now publish the changes and preview the page. Right-click and go to Inspect Elements. We have to copy the accordion's unique ID like this. And paste it here. For another image, copy the code and paste it twice like this. Now again copy the URL of your desired image. And paste it here. We have to again get the unique ID of the second accordion, so repeat the process again. Now save your changes and preview it. You can see that our code is working fine. In this way you can change the images on Accordion Change without using any plugin.